blend tool. Go for blend tool. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to put 5 in the middle, or else you can go for Control Z, go for blend tool again, double click. You don't want 5, it will be congested, right? Go for 3. You have to take the specified steps, not smooth color. You have to take specified steps and take 3 here. Go for 3. Okay, these two, between these two there should be 3, right? For that you have to use blend tool. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and you go for object, expand. Okay, now then only you can go for object, ungroup, right? Now these are all ungrouped. You can take in whatever structure you want. Now you can group all those things. Object, group, or Control G. Now you can copy this like this using Control Alt and the mouse. You drag, and now you go for Control D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this is more, you can take like this, drag, take this till the end, drag this uniformly. Okay, if you want to play with this, you have to first center this and lock the background, that is the blue color. Lock. You gotta lock selection. Okay, now it is locked. Okay, and now you take all these stars, group them, center them again. Now you play with the Pathfinder. You can use unite, you can use minus friend, you can use intersect, you can use exclude, you can use divide, trim, merge, crop, outline, and minus back. Okay, you can use minus back if you want to. You can use unite, okay. Now you can go for Control Alt 2, which is locked. Okay, you can lock this by using Control 2 or using Control Alt 2 to unlock. You can use this. Now you have grouped these things, okay, and now you can, if you want to unite this one and this one, you can go for unite. There is nothing. Now go for Control Z, undo. Now you can go for, yeah, you can click on the background, click on the stars, and go for minus friend. The minus friend will cut off these stars and keep the background. Now you can go for Control Z. Go for this again. Click on the grouped stars and go for intersect. Intersect will not work here. Go for exclude. If you exclude, the colors of the color of the stars will be there, and the color of the background, which was blue, is excluded. Now you can go for Control Z, go for this, click on the blue background and the stars which are grouped, go for divide. When you go for divide, it will remain as it is, but you have to go for object and ungroup the things, ungroup the whole stuff, okay. Object, ungroup. And now the background is deleted, and only the stars will remain. Now go for Control Z. You can play with these stars again. Pathfinder. I am using the Pathfinder right now to describe you now. You can go for 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can go for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take these things again here